What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to view all your saved Wi-Fi passwords on your computer with one free simple software. So what we need to do, we need to go to the nearsoft.net, and then once you get to this website, we need to scroll down, and then we need to click on wireless key view, and then click on it. And then right here, we need to scroll down, and in here, we need to download the version either 32-bit or 64-bit, and mine is 64. And if you don't know what kind of operation system you have, what you can do, you can click on File Explorer, right click on this PC, and then click on Properties. And right here, you can see that mine is 64. Yours could be 32, so you can close this and then come back over here. So if yours is 32, you'll need to download 32-bit. Mine is 64. I'm gonna download 64. And then I'm just gonna save the file. I'm gonna click OK. Once the file is downloaded, I'm gonna go back to File Explorer. And right here, I'm gonna click on Downloads. And in here, we have to unzip this file. I'm gonna right click on it. And either you can click on Extract All, or if you have 7-zip, you can use 7-zip. And if you don't have one, I'll put a link in the description below. And then right here, just click to Extract to Wireless Key View. And then it's going to ask for password. So you have to go back to this page, and this is the password. So just highlight it, right click on it, and then copy, and then go back to your 7-zip and right click on it, and then click on paste, and then you can click OK, and it's done. Then go back to downloads, double click on wireless key view, and now we just have to run this software. So double click on it, and that's it. In here, you can see that I have 2 networks saved. I've been previously connected to those 2 Wi-Fi's, and you can see the network name. So one is home Wi-Fi, another one is a laptop hotspot, and you can see the key. One is password with special characters, and the other one just numbers and letters. So like I said again, if you, for example, have password saved but you don't remember password, this is the best and easy and free way to find out what's the password for your Wi-Fi connection. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.